Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 13th September 2021. In the international market, the producer price index rose 0.7% in August, in line with expectations. The PPI, which is producer price index, is now 8.3% up year over year, the largest increase since 2010. With PPI numbers, US 10-year closed 5 basis points up at 135 percentage points and 30-year 4 basis point up at 190 percentage points on Friday. In Europe, the European Central Bank ECB kept its monetary policy unchanged on Thursday, but opted to slow down the pace of net asset purchases under its pandemic emergency purchase program. Watch out! US CPI numbers on Tuesday, expectation 0.4% month on month. If CPI is above expectation, the bond purchase tapering talks will pick up the pace. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $73.32 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 71 to 75. Nothing major is happening in the crude oil market for the last couple of months. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 92.67. Today's range for dollar index is 92.52 to 92.91. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 645. Make a note of yuan move, which is now at 645. USD INR with a high of 73.85 closed at 73.50. Support at 73.40 and resistance at 73.85 does exist. Please make sure that you look at our support and resistances once the market opens, which we communicate on to each and every clients. In the domestic market, 15-day variable reverse repo rate cutoff came at 341. Ample liquidity is seen once again. After the strong auctions, market was positive and the yields fell by 1 to 2 basis points. Mutual funds are tapping 3-year segment and PF insurance companies are now buying 10-year segment, which is keeping the entire yield curve in check. 563 2026 closed at 561 versus 561 the previous trading day. 664 US 2035 closed at 670 versus 672 the previous trading day. If we talk about the 9th September 2021 GSEC auctions, 563 2026 cutoff came at 560, GOI FRB 2034 at 4.44 percentage points. New GS 2035 cutoff came at 667, pretty much in line with expectations. 667 2050 at 699. Please note that 667 2050 is now below 7%. The new 14-year auction came at 667, pretty much in line with expectations with a positive bias. The interesting piece was green shoes on the newly issued bond, and that confirms our hypothesis that the auction demand is really firm. Morgan Stanley's report on government bond inclusion on Euroclear's platform has also brought some positive momentum. Apart from that, we feel RBI's second half FY22 borrowing will also be in line without any additional borrowing in place. Trading strategy for 6/10/2031 is now at 618. No opportunity for position holding. Trading range for 6/10/2031 is 617 to 621. Watch out! India's CPI data today at 5:30 p.m. after market hours. Expectation is somewhere near 570 versus last month's 559. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with a new episode of Night Snippets.